Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Workspace shared drives for smoother team ownership, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Workspace shared drives, start by signing in to your Google Workspace account. Navigate to the admin console. Click on Apps from the main dashboard. Select Google Workspace and then Drive and Docs. Locate the Manage Shared Drives option. Ensure that shared drives are enabled for your organization. Next, click on Settings for Drive. Under the Shared Drive Settings section, adjust the sharing settings as needed. Set up the permissions for team members based on their roles. Decide whether to allow external sharing of files in shared drives. Once settings are adjusted, click Save to apply the changes. Invite team members to join the shared drive by navigating to Shared Drives. Select the drive you want to manage. Click on Manage Members to add individuals to the shared drive. Assign appropriate roles such as viewer, commenter, contributor, manager, or content manager. Communicate any specific guidelines for using the shared drive effectively. Instruct team members on how to upload and organize files within the shared drive. Encourage collaboration by informing the team about the benefits of shared drives. Review the shared drive configuration regularly to ensure optimal use. Provide support for team members unfamiliar with shared drives. Utilize the Google Drive Help Center for additional resources and troubleshooting. Monitor the shared drive activity to understand usage patterns. Make adjustments to permissions or settings as necessary to enhance team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.